Thank you for joining us as we talk about all things CreatorCon. I am Chuck Tomasi, Senior TPMM in the platform group at ServiceNow.
Hi, my name is Lily Li, and I lead developer marketing at ServiceNow. So Chuck and I have been at CreatorCon for a couple of times now. We are here to give you all the lowdown, what's happening, what's new at the show this year.
Well, let's start with the obvious, Lily. What is CreatorCon?
Well, CreatorCon is the developer event within Knowledge. It is actually the biggest ServiceNow developer event of the year.
And we say developer event, but don't let that throw you off. It is. There's a lot of developer content for developers of all type.
Yeah.
Those who are just starting out in development, those who are new to the Now, that's a hard thing to say, new to the Now platform, those pros who have been at it for years on the platform, even ITOM developers, and enterprise architects and technical architects. There's content for you as well, which we'll talk about in just a second. So the reason you really want to attend this is a couple of things. It's the place to get your knowledge for ServiceNow development. You get to meet other developers. Great networking opportunity. You get to hear and meet the people who built the platform. And, of course, it's just a heck of a lot of fun.
And it's in Vegas. And Chuck and Lily will be there.
Well, let's tell them how they can register for CreatorCon.
Well, CreatorCon is free with your Knowledge Pass. Well, it's a free event with your full Knowledge Pass. Just register for CreatorCon by checking the CreatorCon box when you register for Knowledge. And if you already registered for Knowledge and you didn't sign up for CreatorCon, simply go back to your profile and check that CreatorCon box. When you arrive to Las Vegas and you sign in during registration, you'll get a nice little surprise just for CreatorCon attendees.
I like free. Free is good.
Yeah.
So what's the general format of CreatorCon for those who haven't been there before?
Well, CreatorCon breaks down to three main things. There's sessions, there's Developer Hub, and Keynote.
All right. Sounds pretty reasonable. Let's dive into a little bit more. What kind of sessions are at CreatorCon?
Well, there's over 100 demo-led breakouts and hands-on workshops covering all aspects of development on the Now platform. These includes our new features such as Virtual Agent, Metric Base, Machine Learning, and much, much more.
Now, who are these sessions for? How does someone know what to sign up for?
Good question. Let me ask the Chuck Genie. So the Chuck Genie will basically give you some sample sessions that may or may not happen this year for all of you out there. So Chuck Genie, what are some of the sessions for, let's say, enterprise architects?
Oh, let me look into my crystal ball. How to maximize the usage of ServiceNow within your organization might be a good one.
Oh, excellent. What about those people who are just beginning on the Now platform? They're beginning developers, maybe an admin.
Advanced administration techniques might be a good one.
Yeah.
None of this is scripted, of course. Creating your first ServiceNow application.
Oh, do you remember your first ServiceNow application?
I do. Like my first love.
Okay, what about for those folks who are professional developers that's new on the Now platform?
Service Portal, building a true single-page application comes to mind.
Okay, and what about our true and loyal seasoned ServiceNow developers?
This is a lot of questions. Are we done yet?
Give it to us. What kind of session?
Making Service Portal widgets work together.
And what about ServiceNow store developers? Cha-ching!
I'm the cha-ching person. You stole my line. Introduction to store application development and best practices. How about, let's give them a second one.
Yeah.
Getting your app ready for ServiceNow store certification. It's getting harder.
Yeah. Let's give some love to our IT operations management developers.
Ooh, the people who have to write the sensors and probes and classifiers might enjoy. Advanced identification engine for discovery. Was that it?
Awesome.
Oh, shoot.
In all seriousness, these are just some examples of what we have. We have over 100 sessions, and make sure to check out these and check out other sessions as well.
How would somebody sign up for these crazy sessions? I mean, the good sessions that we made crazy.
Well, it's highly recommended that you personalize your agenda in the content catalog. You can filter the content, the catalog actually, by role or just by CreatorCon, and you'll get a list of the entire session list. Then build your agenda. You can add the sessions to your schedule in your profile on the Knowledge 18 webpage or the Knowledge 18 mobile app. And just remember, content is still being rolled out as we speak, and it will be added as it becomes available. So check often and see what's new.
Yeah, some of those sessions are filling up fast, in all seriousness. If you find something is full, that's actually a good thing because it tells us that there's a need for a second or even third session. So check back again. You might find that title is repeated later. So if it's full now and you don't see it repeated, check back again. You want to be one of those people who gets in the door. Let's talk about the Developer Hub. We had mentioned the Developer Hub. What is the Developer Hub?
Well, the Developer Hub is at the heart and center of the Knowledge Expo, and it just has an array of activities. I would best describe it as a playground.
And the hackathon is back.
Yes.
This is something we've done in the past, very successful, very popular. Yeah. So tell them about the hackathon.
Yeah, so the hackathon is located within the Developer Hub, and it is really an 8-hour challenge for you to build an app. Look, there's not a lot of technology out there where you can build anything meaningful in just 8 hours. Yeah. And ServiceNow is a true testament where you can do that. And this is a great opportunity to build the app that you've always wanted to create. The hackathon gives you the arena to bring your ideas to life. We know you have those ideas in you, so this is an opportunity for you to prove it.
And just so you're clear, it's Tuesday. Registration is at 3 p.m., but you got to be signed up on the app beforehand. So look at the session ID that's on your screen, and you can find it in the content catalog. Go sign up for that. Hacking starts at 4, goes till midnight. It's going to be a whole lot of fun.
And you win prizes and glory. So you basically join teams, and there's teams of all kinds. You don't have to be a developer. You can be a designer. You could be an admin. You can be a scrum master, a project manager. So it's basically teams of all types.
Diversity is good.
Yeah. And you compete for 8 hours.
We've also got the Hack Zone exhibits. They're back again this year. One of our favorites, I think, is LiquorBot. LiquorBot will be back.
Yeah.
We've got a total of 7 of them this year. And these are just different and unique ways, fun ways to use the platform where we show some common business problems illustrated in unusual ways. We've also got the product demos that will be scattered among the floor so you can walk up, learn about features that you currently use or new features directly from those who built it in many cases. Come talk to those product managers and engineers who built those platform features. We've got about 20 of these things all over the place, from Service Portal to Agent Intelligence to Automated Testing Framework and many more. We've also got the CreatorCon Challenge.
Yeah.
Talk about that.
Yeah, so this is the second year we're doing CreatorCon Challenge. The reason why we are doing this is because ServiceNow wants to invest in developers. ServiceNow wants to see how developers just like you who had an idea and started their own business on the ServiceNow's ecosystem. They had a big dream and they built a business off of their ideas. So come check out what they built. We have a area in the developer pod that's just for them. Get inspired because we want to see you pitch your idea and come to Knowledge next year.
Yeah. A lot of good stuff. What else are they going to see?
Oh, so CreatorCon Challenge has a grand finale to pick the final winner. And it's basically a Shark Tank style kind of grilling. And it has a rare sighting from Fred Luddy, who will be one of the judges.
All right. Fred Luddy, if you don't know, is the founder of ServiceNow, who started this whole rocket ride years and years ago. We've also got the Developer Theater returning. This is the second year we're doing this. And I love the phrase that I heard. This is our App Dev Tapas. which makes me think I'm going to be wearing nacho cheese at some point during this. These are half-hour led TED Talk style demo-led sessions with a wide range of application development topics. Just search for CCDT or CreatorCon Developer Theater in the content catalog to get a full listing of those sessions and sign up for the ones you want. We've got the Mission to Mars. This is a big new one.
It's new and huge.
Featured very prominently when you get to the Developer Hub. That's going to stand out. You can't miss this. It's brand new this year. You're going to learn and compete. It's competition. So be ready to compete with your peers to test your learning with these challenges. They start out where?
So the Mission to Mars challenge has 3 phases. You basically start out by signing for qualifying rounds, and we'll link that on the bottom. So add those sessions, and actually most of them are full now. So quickly add those sessions to your schedule. You learn how to write, test, and debug APIs for a Mars imaging satellite using automated test framework. And then you compete in a set of skill challenges to test what you've learned. And that, if you win that, it'll take you to the next round.
And the next round is going to be where you use metric base on real physical IoT devices to compete against that. Again, time-based, get it right, get it right fast. And you move on to the final stage where?
Well, the finalists, if you are lucky enough to move on to phase 3, is you will be using Integration Hub to command real robots, such as Mars rovers or drone strikes. And those who finish the fastest will prevail with prizes and lots of bragging rights.
I, for one, welcome our robot overlords as long as they're controlled by Integration Hub.
Yeah.
And of course, it wouldn't be a conference without a keynote or two. This is where you get to find out what's new in the platform and what's coming. Get some insight of the future of the platform from our development VPs, CTOs, again, the people who create the applications and features. Can bring you these and show you how you can build some amazing experiences very, very quickly.
Yeah, just register. Remember, CreatorCon is free with your knowledge registration. Go to knowledge.servicenow.com, sign up for CreatorCon, check that box, and it is a badass event, and we are so excited to see you there.
Absolutely. Looking forward to it. A few more days. We'll see you at Knowledge.
Yep.
Thanks.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Woo!